Implement QR code for tracking all measuring and test equipment in the Pure system. Project background. When doing a job in out of gauges, the ID gauge must be typed, which takes a long time and there is a typed error. Quality improvement project by setting up job in and job out systems of ME&T from gauge room by using the QR code to tracking all measuring and test equipment in the Pure system. After improvement. Gauge job out by using QR code. First, submit a work order that will operate. QC check work order and prepare gauge for job out. Job out by scan QR code gauge ID or asset ID. Scan barcode operation ID and job reference from the work order. Machinist receives the gauge and signs in gauge checkout receipt. Gauge job in by using QR code. Machinist returns the gauge and QC check. Job in by scan QR code gauge ID and operation ID in the system. And stamp job in the gauge checkout receipt. The benefits of improvement. Easy and time saving. Real-time data collection. Improved efficient productivity. Error reduction and enhanced accuracy. Enhanced traceability and accountability. Simplified calibration and maintenance tracking status. Quick remote monitoring and control. Seamless integration with digital systems.